Hello guys, welcome to my channel Airs Learning. This is Arvinder. In this video we are gonna learn some words related to plantation and gardening. You will definitely understand all the word meanings, especially images will help you the most. You may know few words beforehand, but if you watch the whole video, you can use the words with confidence. So, let's get started. Horticulture. Noun form. Definition: it is the study and activity of growing plants. Basically, when you are in research regarding plants. Horticulture is also a profession where flowers, fruits, nuts, vegetables and herbs as well as ornamental trees and lawns are cultivated. Gardening. Noun. Definition: the activity of growing and taking care of plants. Usually, gardening is a hobby of cultivating plants in our houses. Sheath. Noun. Definition: it is the small hard part of a plant from which a new plants grow. Sow. Verb. Definition: when we sow seeds or sow an area of land with seeds, you plant the seeds in the ground. Sprout. When plants, vegetables or seeds sprout, they produce new shoots or leaves. This is a verb form. It means when new leaves come out from seeds, then it is called sprouting. Fertilizer or compost. Noun form. Definition: a natural or chemical substance that is sprayed or given to plants to make plants grow more successfully. Irrigate. Verb form. Definition: to irrigate land means to apply it with water in order to help crops grow. It is the procedure of supplying water to the plants. Flourish. It is a very good word. It is a verb form. Definition: if a plant flourishes, it grows well or is healthy, because the conditions are very favorable for plants. Graft. It is also a good word. It is a verb form. Definition: if a part of one plant or tree is grafted onto another plant or tree, they are joined together so that they will become one plant or tree, often in order to produce a new variety. It is usually done to increase producing of fruits. Bud. Noun form. Definition: a bud is a small pointed lump that appears on a tree or plant and develops into a leaf or flower. These both are called bud. Photosynthesis. Noun. Definition: it is the way that green plants make their food using sunlight. More comprehensively, the process of making fruits by sunlight. Bloom. It is both verb and noun form. Definition: when a plant or tree blooms, it produces flowers, or when a flower blooms, it opens. And in case of noun, meaning The bloom is the flower of the plants. Pesticide. Noun form. Definition. These are chemicals which farmers put on their crops to kill harmful insects. You can watch the images. Hay. Noun form. Definition. Hay is grass which has been cut and dried so that it can be used to feed animals. Here are the images. Harvest. Verb form. Definition. When you harvest a crop, you gather it because it gets mature. Crop. Definition. Crops are the fruits of plant such as potato, tomato, wheat, and so on. Barren or infertile land. Noun form. Definition. A land incapable to grow plants. Usually a land where we cannot cultivate anything because of the shortage of fertile soil and water. Fertile land. Noun form. Definition. The land helps plants to grow healthily. Basically, the land is fertile because it has the elements which one plant needs to grow successfully. Thanks for watching. Make the red subscribe button white to get more